Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And today we are going to make a Care Bear badge. So I thought that this would be cute. This is going to be for myself because I wanted to make a kind of happy badge. What I'm using, so here is my badge reel. And I've had this for a long time. I think that this is one that came from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. And then, so when I open it, I always just make sure everything works. Make sure that everything snaps. That my clip is okay. And I'm just going to use this like rose-colored one. I thought it would be good. And then I have my Resin Rockers UV resin. I'll be using my Magic Cure Light from Resin Rockers, which is fabulous. I've got this little piece I'm going to be putting on my badge reel. It already has a clamp. Something like this would be so easy to make, but you would actually just, use like this kind of string, same thing, and that's just combed out. But this is just something I had gotten a package of these from Hobby Lobby one time. They were on sale, like super cheap. It was a pack of 3. I don't even remember how much it was, but it was really inexpensive. I do remember that. So I got those. It's already got a hook. So I'm gonna set that to the side. I've got my little Care Bear. It's got a flat back. It's Happy Care Bear. And then I've got this little rainbow. It's so cute. Those came from AliExpress. And then I've got my little acrylic piece. This is a little hexagon I'm going to use. And I got this a set of a bunch of these from Amazon. It does have a piece of plastic on it, so I'm going to take that off. On both sides. Now this one has a hole if you want to do a keychain. I am not. It'll just be covered. So it'll be just fine. I'm going to go the clean side. And then I've got from Glitter Chip, this is called Spring Break. It's a mixology glitter, but I really like the color. I think it'll be super nice with it. And then I will just use a little medicine cup to mix up my glitter. And let's see, let's find a little spoon. I want this to be a little thick. Now, when you're doing these acrylic pieces, it's kind of cool because you can do them different ways. Like say you were just going to put like a name or something, you can put your glitter on the back side and then use the show through, or you can put it in the spot that you want to use. Either way, whichever you like. I do both ways, just depending, I really cannot get over how long I've had this UV resin. This bottle has lasted so long. And then, I just put some in and just, go to whatever texture I feel like I want. And since I want this to be kind of thick, I'm going to make it, sort of a thicker texture. And then, I can always, once this is on and cured, I can always do a layer of just plain UV. But I want good coverage is why I want it to be thicker. and I really wanted this particular glitter color, and you know, knowing that it's not like a super good coverage. I chose to do this thick because that's what I wanted. Now, additionally, you could also, you know, paint it, or if I didn't use a chunky glitter, it wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't have to go as thick. But this is what I wanted. All right. Right, so now my choice is I could use this side, so I could put UV over this and make it nice and clear and use that, or I can use this side. Now for this one, I'm gonna use this nice, easy clear side, and then I'll put some more UV on this just when I put it on, you know, the back, like this. So the first thing I'm gonna do though, is I am going to do my little buttons. So I'm gonna use a toothpick. See if I can save this. I let it get too close to the light. I should have like stuck it back, especially with it being sunny. But I think it'll be all right. We'll see. So I have put my stuff in the wrong side before, so make sure that you're paying attention to which side it needs to go in. And I'm just gonna go in and fill my little button, make it look like it's a colorful little button there. I'm just gonna put this under for a second. I'll put the whole thing under in just a minute, but I just don't want that to move while I'm doing the other button. So I'll do this button here, and then I'll go in and put the whole thing in for a minute, 20 seconds. Oh, thick. This thick piece I'm going to take out, and the reason for that is you don't want your button to be, if you let your button get too high, it might not fit over the badge that you're trying to put it on it. You know, because sometimes they have thin little openings. So I'm just gonna clean this up. And this is why I, you know, kind of put that under for a second. So if I do something stupid like this, I can move this all around to fix this, and I'm not having to worry about, you know, messing that side up. All right, so now, I'll let that sit under for 1 minute and 20. All right, and so while that's sitting under there, Then I'm going to do this guy here, and I'm just going to decide how do I want him to sit. Kind of like him up on the cloud, you know what I mean, like this. I actually like that. Okay. That is so cute. So cute. All right, so now for me, I use this Magic Cure light, and I put stuff on with just the UV resin all the time, and I have no problem. But this Magic Cure light, like, it works like nobody's business. And I don't think all lights are created equal. So a lot of people like to use E6000. Now, my only thing with E6000 is that it takes a while to dry. No big deal. You could just let it sit. So, but what I'm going to do, so I have been using more of the E6000 just so that I don't make people, you know, feel like, oh, all lights are created equal and they can just put their light on and that's going to work. I must not have had my top on really good because it's not coming out super well. Let me just do this. There we go. So I have been, you know, doing the E6000, but because I also want it to stay right now to finish it up, I also do put on some UV resin and put it under. Now, this is the thing I'll tell you when I do this. I'm usually really good about looking things up and knowing whatever, but I will tell you in all honesty, I did not. I've been doing this for a while. I have no problems, but I've never looked it up to see if there's like any weird mix between the two chemically, but I've not had any problems. So I've just not done it. All right, so now I'm just gonna put this how I want it. Oh. Put it how I want it. And I'm gonna, all right, and here we go, so cute. And then, so instead of putting beads on it, I'm doing this guy here. And super cute, super happy. It's giving dopamine, serotonin, happiness. I love it. I love it. All right, well, listen, I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.